We are going to see in chapter 2 is the 58th sloka. We need to strike a link here. The earlier sloka where we have seen Yogastha Kuru Karmani. So you do things with your mind very well fixed or focused, withdrawing yourselves from the sense organs. You be focused and do the calm. Yogastaha Kuru Karmani. Like that, Arjuna was instructed. So Arjuna has now a question. That person who is Yogastaha and who has his mind focused is known as so that person about whom we are now going to talk about. So this sloka reads Yada samharate chayam Kurmonganiva sarvasaha Indriyani indriyartebhyaha Tasya prajna pratishtita Yada samharate chayam Kurmonganiva sarvasaha Indriyani indriyartebhyaha Tasya prajna pratishtita. Here the example of tortoise is being talked about. Yada samharate cha ayam. Yada, how it happens. Similarly, samharate withdraws, cha also ayam this. Kurmaha anganiva sarvasaha. Sarvasaha, all angani indriyas, the kurmaha, the tortoise is withdrawing whenever it feels it has to be safe. So similar, the same meaning goes like that. Yada samharate chayam kurmongani va sarvasaha. You take the example of tortoise, which withdraws all its organs within itself when there is a requirement. This is how the first line is to be understood. Similarly, the sthita prajna or the person whose mind is fixed, what he does, indriyani indriyartebhyaha. Indriyani, the sense organs. Sense organs are withdrawn, it is to be understood, indriyartebhyaha, from the objects of senses or the feeds to the sense organs. How tortoise is withdrawing all its organs within itself when there is a requirement. Similarly, all sense organs are withdrawn from the objects that attract them. If that is the case, that prajna is pratishtita. Tasya prajna pratishtita. Tasya prajna pratishtita. The person who does his prajna, his mind is fixed and focused. This is how we have to understand. Now I am reading the entire sloka again. You will be able to appreciate better. Yada samharate chayam Kurmongani va sarvasaha Indriyani indriyartebhyaha Tasya prajna pratishtita. You have to control your sense organs as a tortoise does, withdrawing all its organs within itself when there is a requirement. And such a person's mind is fixed and focused. So this is the overall meaning of the sloka. I am reading the sloka again for your getting familiar with it. Yada samharate chayam kurmongani va sarvasaha indriyani indriyartebhyaha tasya prajna pratishtita. Thank you. Hare Krishna.